Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your Squarespace website on web. Before you can delete a site, you need to cancel any active subscriptions first. Start by opening your site's settings, click the gear icon in the home menu, then select Billing and Account. You'll see the subscriptions panel with your active website plan listed. Click on your website subscription. It'll show as either website or commerce depending on what plan you're on. Once you've selected it, look for the Cancel Subscription button and click that. A panel will appear showing your cancellation details, including whether you're eligible for a refund and when your site will go offline. Confirm the cancellation through the prompts that appear. If you're within the refund window, you might see options to either get a refund immediately or retain access until the end of your billing cycle. Choose whichever works for you. Check your email for the cancellation confirmation. Your site will stay active until the end of the billing period if you're on a monthly plan. Now that the subscription is canceled, head to your account dashboard at account.squarespace.com. This is where you'll see all the sites connected to your account, each with a preview image. If you've got multiple sites, make sure you're looking at the correct one. Find the site you want to delete, and look for the three dots icon in the top right corner of that site's preview image. Click those three dots, and a drop-down menu will open with your site options. If you don't see a delete option in this menu, you may still have an active subscription that needs canceling, or you might not have the right permissions. Click Delete in the drop-down menu. A confirmation panel will open, asking if you're sure you want to delete the site. Click Delete again in that panel to confirm. You'll see a site deleted message appear, and the site will disappear from your account dashboard. One thing to keep in mind, once your site is deleted, all the content and data are gone permanently. There's no way to recover it, so make sure you've backed up anything you need beforehand. Also, any third-party domains you had linked to the site will automatically disconnect. Visitors who try to access your old site URL will just see a site deleted message. And there we go, site deleted. Thanks for watching. See you next time.